User Interface Overview. Welcome to the second YEM Content Explorer version 3 introduction video. In this video, I'll give you an overview of the user interface. We won't go into detailed functionality yet. Instead, we'll focus on how the application is organized and how the different areas of the interface work together. First of all, just like the free version 2 release, the interface is intentionally designed to resemble Yamaha Expansion Manager, which we'll simply refer to as YEM throughout these videos. Most users are already familiar with YEM, so introducing a completely different interface would only make the learning process more difficult. The goal was to keep everything as familiar and intuitive as possible. When the application starts, an information screen will appear in the center of the window, indicating that the program database is being created. At the same time, the status bar at the bottom of the application provides useful information about background processes. On the left side, you'll see details about the currently running tasks, while the right side displays the current date and time, along with a small progress indicator. At the top left corner of the application, you'll find the My Packs button. When this option is selected, certain controls that are only relevant to keyboards listed in the Install Target section will be disabled. The My Packs button also contains a refresh function. This simply reloads all data stored in the location managed by the original YEM software, ensuring that the displayed information is up to date. On the left side of the application, you'll see all keyboards currently available through YEM. When you select a keyboard, the application displays the selection status of each pack associated with that instrument. A light green indicator means that all items within the pack are selected. A dark green indicator means that only some items are selected. A gray indicator means that no items are selected. You'll also notice that certain menus and available actions change depending on what is currently selected in the left panel. For example, when My Packs is selected, clicking the Main Pack menu button, the arrow button located above the pack list, will display options such as Export Items, Backup, Delete Invalid Packs, Multi-YEM Manager, and other available functions. Some menu entries are displayed only when specific conditions are met. For example, if at least one style, MIDI file, registration memory, or another compatible item is selected, the corresponding export options will become available. Likewise, if the application detects one or more problematic pack folders, the Delete Invalid Packs option will automatically appear in the menu. This dynamic approach helps keep the interface clean and ensures that only relevant functions are displayed when they can actually be used. The menu associated with the center button displays functions available for the currently selected pack. Depending on the contents of the pack, available options may include Export All Samples in Pack, Trim Sample Tails in Pack, Strip Silence in Pack, and other functions that may be added in future releases. For each unlocked voice or drum kit, several options are available through the right-click context menu. Currently, these include the Voice Viewer or Drum Viewer, as well as the Export Samples function. Additional features may be introduced in future versions of the application. As mentioned earlier, we won't go into detail about each menu in this video. Every major feature will be covered individually in the videos that follow. Now let's take a look at the upper right corner of the application, where you'll find two buttons: Settings and Information. Inside the Settings section, you'll find several configuration pages. These include general application settings, options for defining how exported samples should be named separately for voices and drum kits, and various sample export settings. You'll also find options such as stereo channel merge for left and right channels, export to the SFZ format, which is currently in alpha stage, and the ability to choose the exported sample format, including Original, Wave, AIFF, or SF2. The information screen, which I won't open right now, contains your license information, a detailed changelog with bug fixes, new features, and other improvements introduced in each version. You'll also find the EULA, allowing you to review it at any time if you have questions regarding licensing terms or software usage. I'd also like to mention that the same EULA is available on my website. And that's all for now regarding the YEM Content Explorer version 3 user interface. I hope this video helped you understand the structure of YEM Content Explorer, and I invite you to watch the upcoming videos covering the Voice Viewer, Drum Viewer, and the features available within those screens. If you found this video helpful, Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.